What's going on, nation? Vape here and welcome. Today we got pod system from Sense called the Orbit TF. This thing is kind of heavy. It's made of primarily of zinc alloy, all the body except the pod system. Holds 3 ml of juice, brings 2 coils, a 0.6 and a 0.1, so you're gonna have direct long and multi-log option to see which one you like the most. It is press fit coils, got a pretty nice flavor, 11,000 mAh battery, so you're gonna have kind of a nice battery, but obviously we go to all of that on up and close. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna dive down. Here is the main event, your Sense Orbit TF. Now it's primarily made of stainless steel, very heavy, very nice. You got several patterns going on and colors depending on what you choose. Here you're gonna have your USB charging port and your LED light. Sense fire button, oops, is on. Fire button in here, Orbit TF. Not much going on the bottom. Now on the top is where you're gonna have your filling method. Also gonna be your pod system. So to unlock, just sweep it that way and fill it up. Now this hole is very tiny. If you have like a chubby gorilla style, you really have to put your tip right inside, leaving a little bit of space for your air to escape. Otherwise you're gonna have a very hard time to fill it up. But this works great. Very nice filling method. Drip tip, it is non-removable. Okay, it's kind of 510 style. And here is going to be your pod system that you can take it out. In there, as you can see, a little bit of leaking to the coil or condensation. So keep that, try to clean it. Don't let a lot of juice build up in there, otherwise you might lose contact. You're going to have 3 contacts that is going to make contact with your coil. It's going to be positive and negative. And here is your pod system. Now this you can buy separate if you want. If you want to have several ones with several different juices in there. It also holds 3 ml of juice. That's why maybe they say only allow in the USA, because here in Europe or UK, if you want to say, is only allowed 2 ml. Now your coil is press fit, very easy. This is the coil I've been using and it's still going. Is a mesh 0.6. It's not multi-long, it's more like direct long configuration. So very nice that the O-ring's actually on the coil. So every time we got like kind of fresh O-ring in there to make sure there's no leaking going on. So very nice. It's press fit, you just put it there. Obviously when it's a new coil, what I recommend is drop a few drops of juice inside your coil, then fill it up and wait about 5 minutes. And then you just have to slide it in. Here we go, clicked in place. Very good. Here is gonna be your airflow. So it's go kind of on the inside. Even if you're holding your airflow, you're still gonna have kind of airflow going on in there. Very nice. That is not in the place that you put your hands and you're not gonna be able to have any airflow. It is on both sides. Very good. And operate this is very easy. Now as you can see, white light in there. And depending on the light that you're gonna have, it's gonna tell you which kind of battery you have and also which mode you are. So if you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, it changed to blue. So blue is gonna be soft. 1, 2, 3. Change to green. That is normal. 1, 2, 3. And white is strong. And here you're gonna have some LED indicators. So white light flashes 3 times is short circuit protection. White light flashes 20 times when the device is fully charged. Reconnect the device with power source. Yellow light flashes once the cartridge pull it out from the device. So very good. Quite a lot of stuff. Red light flash once no cartridge detected by the device. Red light flashes 3 times. Low voltage protection. When voltage less than 3.3 volts, the device stops working. LED light flashes 8 times, overusing protection over 10 seconds. the device will stop working while resistance is less than 0.5. So 0.5 it is the minimum. Very, very nice. A lot of options and a lot of information going on in here. And I think we cover everything. It's not much to cover, to be honest. I mean, this is just a pod system, very easy to use. It has an 11,000 mAh battery, so it's gonna last quite a while. It's very, very small, very compact, but the battery kind of lasts, to be honest. So we cover everything. We're gonna come back on top. I tell you where you can get it, price, and we run to pros and cons. Alright, and we're back, and that was the up and close for the Orbit TF by Sense. Where you can get it and price. You can get it at sigbuy.com. I will leave a link on the description for £11. Yeah, £11. You can get your pod system and you're ready to go for multi-long or direct long hits. So, pros and cons. Not too many cons. I mean, it's a pod system. It's not much to go wrong. One of the cons has to be the filling method. Even though I like it, that swivel, is pretty easy. It's just the hole is too tiny. You really have to put your tip in there and kind of put on the corner, so you got a bit of a gap for the air to escape. But even like that, sometimes it starts to pour juice out and it's not going in. So that is my only con, to be honest. Other than that, it's a very, very nice system. I was very impressed with the weight that thing has. It feels sturdy, it's heavy. The battery, very good. It lasts quite a long time. I've been vaping always on the 0.6 direct long. I'm not very into multi-long. This coil lasts a long time. Got pretty good flavor. And check some clouds. So let's have a to it. I am on the most powerful mode. Nice flavor, nice clouds. It is pretty good. Another thing that you probably can point as a con, you're not going to have adjustable airflow unless you put your fingers on the side. And that is a pro. The way the airflow comes in, even if I put my fingers on the airflow and I vape it, let's see if I can do it. I feel the restriction, but air goes through. So very, very nice. But no adjustable. So for people who really like to adjust the airflow, you're not going to be able on this one. I like the way the coil goes in. Every time you put a new coil, it's going to be a new O-ring, so it's very, very good. All 3 mLs, very easy to fill if you put your tip on the side. Very comfortable drip tip and very nice colors. They got plenty of colors. They have blue, reds, blacks. You name it, you will be there. And it's not expensive. So if you're out and about to look for something that works great, have a very nice vaping, this one is a good one. Definitely recommend. For the price, £11, £11.89, £12, it is pretty cheap. We're gonna wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Thanks to be with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best and I hope to see you next time. Till there, keep vaping.